Hello, this is my presentation. Number 1, who I am. Number 2, my trip to Cascada del Fin del Mundo anti-Grabando. Number 3, recommendations. Number 4, what you should not do. Nice to meet you. My name is Angie Milena Jucuairazo. I am 24 years old. I am from Pasto City. I live with my father and my younger brother. I was a personal instructor 2 years ago. I love sports and especially teaching. I love dogs and I also work with some foundation for human support. I am probably studying administration because I love it like. To my grad trip, Cascada Fin del Mundo. In February, I traveled with my best friend to Cascada del Fin del Mundo in Mocoa, Putumayo. It was a beautiful trip that we archived a moment another. Unfortunately, the road is very dangerous, but it's not an impediment to get to go this grand landscape. After walking 2 hours, we were to swim in 3 beautiful lakes and finally reached the waterfall. We stayed for 2 days enjoying the water. The tropical water is both great. Recommendations. It is advisable to travel accompanied because the road is dangerous and solid. It's important to travel in the day because it's a mountainous area. It's important to travel when it's not raining. It's advisable to good physical condition for the walk. It's important to hydrate during the course of the walk. If you want to know the waterfall, you should follow the recommendations of the guides. You also have better take enough money because it's very expensive, but it is worth it. What you should not do. You should not do good this place if you are in for physical condition because you are too old and a very hostile inside and it both be dangerous for your health. Thank you.